Hi, my name is Trish Muljono. I am at the Soulfulness Centre in Crossness, Sydney CBD, Australia. I am a first timer, and this is the class that I am doing at the moment. It's finishing today. Soul, mind, and body alignment. The reason why I came here is because I just broke up with someone, and it has given me difficulty to move on. And also, I have problem with healing, especially for my dad in the family. So didn't know where to go and didn't know how to start and didn't know how to move on. So I thought, why not? A friend of mine introduced me about the workshop, and I came in with the intention to just be nice and then leave early, but end up actually staying and register the class. And throughout this workshop, I have to say, I can't even think not to do it. It given me a positive steps to believe in myself, to go to the next step on my journey, in my relationship, and in finance, because there is a blessing on finance, and also healing my dad. So it has given me a lot of blessing. I have been given a light blessing, which you will learn if you are coming to the workshop, and that light blessing is really giving me a very positive step to proceed with my life for my next stage of my life.